Hello. I searched the internet for like, I don't know, half a year. Find out why my Twitch docks are blurry like this. And on this monitor it's not that bad, but on my second monitor it's awful. It gets better when you're on it with your mouse. But when it's on your second monitor and you're gaming, it gets all blurry. So I searched the internet for a long time and it's that easy. So all you gotta do, go to your NVIDIA settings, not the app, I don't know what's called in English, system settings. So go to your 3D settings and turn FXAA off. Okay, so you turn it off, still the same, okay. Just close OBS and open it again. Takes a while, like always. So now nothing is blurry anymore. Everything stays like this. You can see everything, even on a small monitor, like your second monitor or something like that. So that's all. That's all you gotta do. I played around for, I don't know, half a year to get this straight. And some guy on Reddit, on, I don't know, 5th page on Google said you change the setting. I don't know why other people don't have that problem, or nobody has made a video as far as I know. I haven't found one yet. So I made this. I hope this helps. Stay safe and bye bye.